In primetime news this evening, distracted. Concerns police officers are increasingly preoccupied with their mobile phones while on duty.
More objections to development of lands in St. Anne by China Harbour Engineering Company.
And the PNP calls for resignation over NHT Dexim settlement. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. And also a special welcome to those of you watching on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. I'm Herman Green.
And I am Andrea Chisholm with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Javon Keys.
Well, Andrea, the International Monetary Fund, IMF, is projecting that global growth will be at a faster pace than they initially laid out, and also gas prices are going up for a fourth consecutive week. What's behind it? I'll have the details later on.
And persons are longing to see the Reggae Girls. Jermaine Brown is here to tell us what's coming in Primetime Sports. Jermaine?
Well, Herman, it will be a while before you see the Reggae Girls who went to the World Cup, as that saga with those World Cup veterans and the JFF continues. We'll tell you more about that and some more a bit later on.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening: what should be included in a cell phone use policy for police officers who are on duty?
Share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and post on X at TVJ News Center.
All right, please stay tuned. The Primetime News returns right after this break.